Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting by preparing the AirPods 4 and the source device. Make sure they're charged and connected. Once paired, open the control center or Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or paired device. Tap the volume slider to reveal the noise control options, then select off to disable active noise cancellation. You're doing this first because it immediately stops the ANC processing. Confirm audio returns to natural pass-through, so you can evaluate the next steps without ANC interference. Once ANC is off in system controls, you should set on-device behavior so it stays off. You can press and hold the stem sensor to toggle between modes. Make sure a single long press is mapped to noise control off in earphone settings. If you prefer a stable change, assign the double tap/press setting to off to avoid accidental re-enable. Also check for and install firmware updates, because missing or buggy noise control options are often fixed through a firmware refresh. You're wrapping up by making the change persistent and ready to troubleshoot. First, restart the AirPods by placing them in the case, closing the lid for 30 seconds, then reopen and reconnect to verify ANC remains off. If toggling persists, reset the AirPods. Hold the case setup button until the status light flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems continue, test with a different phone or tablet to determine whether the issue is the source device or the buds themselves.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.